So you want to launch a podcast or maybe want to start making some video content, but you have like zero video editing skills. Well, you can still start today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record both solo content, or if you want to record with guests and co-hosts, make the process super simple and even have AI tools edit it for you. And if you need to make any changes, it's as easy as editing a Word document. If you've selected and deleted text in a Word document, you can edit video and audio content. What makes it all possible is recording that content here in Riverside. I record my video podcast every week, and the only way I can get it done and publish a new episode regularly is by using Riverside. This is what it looks like when you log into your Riverside account, which you can sign up for free at riverside.fm. When I'm ready to record, I just click the big record button here at the top. Here you'll choose the camera that's connected to your computer and your microphone, and it's okay if you don't have any gear. You can use the built-in microphone in your device and the Riverside app on your iPhone and still record high quality video and audio. If you need help with that kind of setup, I have a video right up here where I walk you through step by step just using your phone to record video and audio. I'm going to select I'm using headphones, and we recommend using even just an inexpensive pair of headphones. This way you can monitor your own voice and hear any remote guests that might be joining you. And let's jump into the studio. Now, if you want to invite someone to record with you, like a co-host or interview guest, just click copy link right here next to the guest link. They open that in their browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and they'll appear here in your studio to record with you. Even if you X out of this window, you can still click the invite button here at the top, copy that guest link, and send it to someone to record with you. Now, just to show you how easy it is, you don't have to do anything else here in the studio. You can just press the big record button here at the bottom, and Riverside's going to take care of recording high quality video and audio all behind the scenes. And that's the magic of Riverside. No matter your internet speed or the bandwidth for your guest, Riverside records locally, meaning your video and audio is being saved to your computer, and then that file is uploaded to Riverside in high quality. So even if something stutters or blips because of the internet, your recording is unaffected. And we're going to use that high quality video and audio when you're editing your content. Now, one of the things I do when I record a podcast is I like to share visuals as I talk, and Riverside puts it all together for me, which cuts down even more on the editing time. I do that one of two ways. I can go over here to the media board, and I can upload little video clips and share them while we're recording. For instance, I have this video here, and maybe I want to show it live, and this will play. We can still talk over it. We're still being recorded in high quality video and audio, and then this will actually be placed in the editor for me. I don't have to do anything once we're done recording. So that's one way to do it. And you can also use our screen sharing tool, which will add more visuals. I usually have a bunch of tabs open for different news articles I'm going to talk about, and I share it as we discuss them. You can access the screen sharing feature down here. You can click screen and then share a tab in your browser, a full window, or the entire screen of your computer, which would be great for like a tutorial video or how-to. All of those screen shares are also recorded locally, and you get individual files every time. But you don't have to worry about any of that because the Riverside editor is going to take care of it all for you. When you're done recording, just hit the stop button down here, and those files, the video and audio, are going to finish uploading to your Riverside dashboard, and you'll be ready to jump into the editor in just a few moments. You see, it's already successfully uploaded, and now let's go over and edit our content. Now you'll see all our past recordings here back on your Riverside dashboard. Let's jump into our most recent one, and we have one click that's going to make the whole process much easier. It's our full episode generator. I can click Generate Episode, and Riverside's going to put everything together, remove silences and filler words, and get your full content ready. Then you can just tweak little edits here and there. It takes just a few moments, and while it's doing that, you can also generate magic clips. This will create vertical videos from your long-form content, so you can share little clips on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and magic clips will create those for you automatically. I can choose how long I want these clips to be. I usually go 30 to 60 seconds, and you can even type a topic that you want these clips to focus on. You get a transcript every time you record, and we'll use that transcript to find those engaging moments. I'll type a word here and we'll generate those, and while we're waiting, our full episode is already ready. You'll see here it's marked with the little full episode star, and let's jump in to edit this even further. And now we're in the Riverside editor. Now, it might look intimidating at first, but there's a few things that you'll have access to which can really expedite your editing process. First of all, you get a full transcript every time you record, and that's what you'll see here on the left-hand side. Now, if you want to edit, like delete a part or remove a sentence or a paragraph, all you have to do is click and drag to select the text. You'll see a little delete key there, and that is it. You've literally edited your video and audio that quickly. You delete the text you don't want, and we'll remove that video and audio. And if you ever make a mistake, you can undo it up here, and you can always create a new clip that starts from scratch and has your full recording. So this is non-destructive, meaning no matter what you remove while you're editing now, you can always start over. But we have a few other tools to make editing even faster. I can go up to the AI producer here in the top right, and we have something called our set pace feature. This is way better than a normal remove silence feature. I can select how fast I want the pace to be for this clip. Let's say I want to remove most silences. Well, I can go right here, and it's telling me it's going to remove 32 pauses for a total of 49 seconds removed. I can click apply, and it's automatically just going to cut out those silences for me. You'll see I can zoom in here on the timeline using this tool. All those silences where no one was talking have automatically been cut out. I can even hide those portions if I come up here, toggle off show deleted text, and now I just have the full recording minus silences. Now because we started with the full episode generator, we already applied smooth speech, but you can also apply this manually in new clips. That removes all the filler words like uhs, ums, and things like that. And let's say you were recording from a mobile device like an iPhone or iPad and you just use the built-in microphone. Well, you can apply Magic Audio, and that's going to use AI to make your audio sound studio quality no matter the microphone you used. Really powerful tool. You can apply it to everyone's track here, or you can go over to the track section here, go to an individual participant, and toggle on Magic Audio just for them. Now, we also applied animated captions automatically, so you can move those around. You can change the style by clicking here, and even go over to the captions tool on the right, and you'll see all the different versions if you want to quickly jump to a new style. Or if you want to remove the animated captions completely, you can click the 3 dots and remove captions. And one other powerful tool, and you're basically ready to go. Under the layout feature, you can apply what's called smart scenes. Click this, and Riverside will automatically focus on the active speaker and then switch back and forth between the two of you in a grid view, focus on the active speaker, and it'll go back and forth automatically, making an engaging piece of content, and all you had to do was click one button, Smart Scenes, and that's it. Great for interview shows or if you have a co-host, and we'll take care of all those edits automatically, focusing on whoever's speaking, and then during transition times, focusing on you and the other person until you switch. Now, the last thing you might want to do is edit the beginning and end. Well, I can scroll to the very beginning of the timeline down here, and I can drag the end point, and that's going to start the show right there. Or like we did before, I can just delete whatever words or sentences come before the actual intro, and now our ending is set. It happened that quickly. Now we're ready to export our file and then upload it to YouTube or Spotify for creators. I can click the export button here in the top right. I can export up to 4K video quality for the highest quality possible. Normalize audio will make sure everyone's the same volume. Or if I want to export an MP3 file, like if you're going to upload to a podcast host, you can go over to Audio, select MP3, and then export that audio. And that quickly, you have a full-length episode edited in just seconds, maybe minutes. Then you can go back and see all these magic clips that were just generated. I can go into one of these vertical videos. You can quickly change the format if you prefer a square video, or go all the way back to 16:9 widescreen. You can move the animated captions around, maybe even change the size, preview that. So even if you've never edited video or audio before, you can do it when you record and edit with Riverside. Now that was just touching the surface on all the features that are built in. You can also live stream with Riverside, do audience live call-ins, webinars, tutorials, plus we have image overlays, text overlays, and more to make your content visually engaging. If you want a full walkthrough to see all the features that Riverside has to offer, check out this video right up here. And if you have any questions on Riverside, leave comments below this video. I'll answer you personally. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button before you go. We have new features coming out all the time with walkthroughs and showing how easy it can be to create content, whether you're a solo creator, you have guest co-hosts, and more. And if you want to learn about using Riverside with something like Spotify for Creators, which can host your podcast and your video can automatically be uploaded there, check out this video here where I walk through that entire process. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with Riverside.